how do we taste things? Tasting, we have taste buds in our mouth. Now we have four kinds of taste buds: filiform, volate, fungiform, and I forgot the other one. We have four, but I forgot the other one. Now, these four types of taste buds may taste to sweet, sour, bitter, and also I forgot the other one. So this is how we taste things, okay? When the saliva will begin to decompose in our mouth, we have what we call these chemicals. Food have chemicals. When the chemicals will begin to break down, these receptors, or what we call as the taste buds, will taste the chemicals that are present in the food that we are about to eat. Like, for example, if we are eating sweet, if we are eating candy, then there's one specific taste bud, which is the tip taste bud. Here will be digested, will being produced by the food, which is decomposed by the food. That is the reason why we taste things, because there is a chemical. Taste buds work by tasting us specific taste, like sweet, bitter, sour, and all kind of taste. So that is the reason why we taste things, because of the taste bud. Thank you.